So I got my window switches, double pull, double throw. So, and I'm trying to figure out, I have one relay, and I have to make it work for both windows. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out a wiring thing here, but I figured I'd start the video. So, but yeah. So what we're gonna do in this video is get my fucking windows working, hopefully. As long as I can figure out a fucking relay. If not, then we'll just won't put a relay in. And I really want a relay, so let's I'll come back when I figure out something that fucking works. I'm just kind of rigging up some shit with this like LED, or like this LED I got sitting here, so that way I know what the fuck is doing what. So, but yeah, let's rig something up, and then I'll come back and let you know what the fuck works. Well, it does not look like I'm gonna be able to get use just one relay. That's not a thing. It's just not a thing. I tried a couple different ways and it just doesn't work. So what I'll end up having to do is just have to wire it up to raw power without relay, and then we'll have to come back when I gotta order some relays. So let's come back when I got some relays, and we'll have to add in some relays. Apparently you have to add the relays in after the switch, like basically to like the motor. In between the switch and the motor, you can't add it before the switch. I guess that kind of makes sense, because then the power would still be going through there. Duh, dumbass me. Whatever, a dream a little dream. So, but now we'll get these things just prepped, and then we'll go put them in. So let's do that. Alright, well, there's where that is, and now we're going to unbox Paul's new turbo on live stream. So see you in the live stream. Well, there it is, in case you weren't in the live stream. What a beaut. So, yeah, there'll be a video coming up soon with turning that from internal wastegate to an external. So, yeah, look forward to that. Back to the switch. Jeez, that took a while. Got one done. So, power goes on one side, then ground on the other. And then with these, I just made like little short little jumpers, and they crisscross. So basically, I'll hook up basically one side, I'll hook the motor to for the windows, and then so when you flip it this way, it reverses the polarity and it'll move the motor down. And on this side, when you flip it that way, it'll move the motor up. So it just reverses the polarity. So double pull, double throw. So, and it's a momentary as well. So, but yeah. Let's get the other one right there wired up. It's got the positive and then the ground. I just got to make those little jumper cables, and I'm using the same colors as the wires for the window switches, so works out great. So let's keep going. Jesus, that took forever. Well, there it is. The ground, I usually don't put shrink tubing on the ground. I'm not too worried about it because it's ground. But yeah. So there they are. Now we just gotta go into the car. Take a hike. Enjoy the fucking strobing fucking light. One of these days I'll be able to afford a new one. But, so yeah. These will mount in there. And then these are the switches. So then I'll just put two like little fork fitting thing, whatever the fuck they're on, put them on there, and then just unscrew one of these a little bit, and you put them in, and done. So let's get it in there and get it on, and then we'll just have to connect power up here. Probably just gonna run it off of this bottom one here. I believe it, I don't remember what the fuck it is. I think it's just like gauge power or something. So, but yeah, that should be, and then we'll just ground it probably over there where the rest of the shit's grounded. So let's get this shit installed. Alright, so we're kind of just slowly making our way. We tested one, got that working. You just gotta test it to make sure that, you know, it's oriented correctly, so when you flip the switch up, the window goes up, and so on and so forth. So I got the power hooked up here, and then I gotta put the ground over here, and yeah, and then all I gotta do is just hook up this guy down to there, and then we'll be good to go. So let's get that done. Okay, well, here we are. So now I got this side. Yeah. Definitely got to flip it the right fucking way if I can. Dang. And then, dang. So that's legit. And then the other side does the exact same thing. It's amazing, isn't it? So, yeah. Now all we gotta do is throw the dash back in and enjoy the new AC system in the Fiero. So let's get the dash back in. Alright, well, there they are. So down is down, and then up is up.
Let's say no.
Crazy. They might be. Yeah, that one must be
No
upside
or
down.
no?
That one must be upside down. No, no. This is a no-no. No-no. That one's on. This is because that one got spun all the way around. Because they were like super loose. But yeah. So there they are. They fucking work. Like. Dang. But yeah. That's how you wire up some double pull, double throw switches. And eventually one of these days I'll put in some relays. They'll just go in between to the motor. So. But yeah, that's it. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.